All right, that was just my Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookie dough that I put in my pie dish. Throw away those gloves, we won't need them. Now I'm coming in with my Reese's miniature cups, and we are placing these miniature cups right on top of that cookie dough. If you love cookies and peanut butter, this is gonna be the dessert for you. Okay, last one right in there. Look how delicious those look. Now, personally, that is not enough peanut butter for me, so I have some creamy peanut butter that I melted in the microwave, and we're just gonna drizzle that right on top of those Reese's. You can do as little or as much as you like. It's gonna be delicious regardless. Perfect. I used about half of this container, which is 16 ounces, so I used 8 ounces of peanut butter. All right, now I have a flattened out piece of cookie dough that we are gonna put right on top very carefully. Just like so. Pull back that wax paper. So this is ready for the oven. Oh my goodness. Okay, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for about 30 minutes. Oh my, do you see that? It looks incredible.
It smells amazing.
All right, we have one last finishing touch. I have a half-pound peanut butter Reese's
Holy
cup.
moly.
And this goes right in the center. Push her down. Just like that. Oh my goodness. Let's look at all that peanut butter, chocolatey goodness.
Yum.
That is so good, you guys.